Hi everyone, this is Desmond from Wonderjet. Today I'll take you with me to have a look around in our first floor of a single pass machine production workshop. Come with me. Here is our first floor production workshop. As you see, in your first view is our single pass mine printer. Our worker is proceeding production test before final packaging shipment. This single pass model configures 600 dpi resolution Epson printhead. Print height is 1.9 meters. Now we'll show you the high-speed production test. WD200 class use high-speed inkjet technology, environmental water-based ink, higher precision and higher production speed. Maximum speed can be 1.8 meter per second with 600 multiple 200 dpi. Let's see the highest production speed printing effect. CMYK 4-color block uniform and plump. QR code, barcode, smallest size word, clear, awesome. Well, how much do you rent for our single pass machine? Leave your thoughts in our comments section. Contact us for free samples if you need. Digital printer, where to find? Wonderjet, where you come.